Hi friends. Liberalization, privatization, globalization. Pet name is LPG. This has brought in lot of competition into our economy. There is a saying now, if you want to remain where you are, you have to keep running. You have to keep running if you want to remain where you are in comparison with others. Because the world is changing so fast, moving forward so fast, unless you keep pace with it, you may get sidelined. Therefore, the requirement of running along with the world, move forward fast. There was a time when we used to say, complete today's work. Friends, now completing today's work is not sufficient. We have to complete today's work. We have to think of what work that may arise tomorrow, what are going to be tomorrow's challenges, and prepare for tomorrow's work today. There is an example from what has happened in Kerala High Court. There was a case going on between Pepsi Cola and Puducherry Gram Panchayat, village Panchayat. Pepsi Cola was drawing more water, groundwater, leading to drought situation in the village. There was huge protest from the villagers, and the Panchayat issued a notice to Pepsi to stop exploitation of groundwater resources. They threatened to cancel the license issued to Pepsi in case they don't stop drawing groundwater. Pepsi obviously went to Kerala High Court, and the decision was expected on a particular day. Judgment came, it was in favor of Pepsi Cola. Within few minutes of the pronouncement of judgment, Pepsi Cola representative present in the court distributed a leaflet among the journalists. You can imagine, our stand is vindicated, we are right, truth will prevail. What surprised the people around was that within few minutes of pronouncement of the judgment, a statement was distributed by Pepsi Cola. They suspected rather Pepsi Cola would have been aware of the coming judgment in advance. Judgment would have been leaked. This became a murmur, and somebody brought it to the notice of the judge. He got agitated. He told the policeman present to bring this Pepsi Cola representative immediately. Pepsi Cola representative was brought to the judge. Judge started shouting at him full throttle. The man, initially frightened, has regained his composure after listening to the shouting. He humbly submitted, "Sir, please listen to my side of the story." What is your explanation? He submitted to the judge, "Your Honor, I have come with two sets of statements. One statement, if the judgment is in our favor. Another set of statements, if the judgment is going against us." You can see this set of statement was meant for distribution in case we have lost the case. In case the decision was against us, I would have distributed from this set. This set consists of 50 leaflets. and all the 50s are available here in this bundle. You can see yourself, sir. This set where the number is less, actually I have distributed 20-25 leaflets. This was meant for distribution on our winning the case. The judgment has come in our favor. I have distributed part of these statements. Remaining 20-25 may be there in the bunch. You can convince yourself. Judge looked at these bunches and he was convinced. What this indicates is you have to start working, preparing in anticipation. What is the likely work challenges that are going to come tomorrow? Prepare today itself. To come out successful in this challenging environment, friends, let us understand this example and try to cultivate this as a habit. Preparing for tomorrow, today itself. Working in anticipation. Bye.